Boaters, start your engines. One minute, 16 seconds to meal time. All Martin on the button. 1 minute to meal time. Five seconds to meal time. All right, here comes the purple monster. 30 seconds to meal time. Looks like we got all the votes on it. Seconds to meal time. Jet boat and one, watch it. Oh, jet boat two. All right, I think Roger's over. Jet boat. That's a start for you, Roger. All right, jet boats in 4 and 5, so go inside. Jet boats in 5 and 6. Go inside. All right, that's 2 for Roger. Here's 3 for Peyton. Roger's catching you. Putting 12 sevens on the board. That's 3 for Roger. 12-4. It's going down, baby. Gonna catch you. That's 4 for Roger. You're coming around for 5. Now pick it up. All right, he's running a 12 flat. He's gonna catch you. Game's done.
Roger's game done.
That's game done. Roger, that was the fastest lap. Yeah, up to me. 12.044, buddy. Nice lap. All right, so we got Peyton in first place, Roger in second. We got Wiener did not start, Bob Martin did not start, and Alex did not start.
Yeah, that's Alex right there. Yeah.
Wow.
1 minute, 15 seconds to meal time. All right, we're getting ready to go out. Mr. Motley's out. 1 minute. Dead boat. Watch it on the launch. Watch it on the launch.
Dale Roberts.
45 seconds to meal time.
2 dead boats.
Ron Foster JR.
We got time.
30 seconds.
30 seconds to mill time.
All right, if you haven't done it, Utah as we see it is doing some videos for us today. Please join on his YouTube channel. All right, you got 18.
15
Let's
seconds
go.
to mill time.
All right, you're started. I'm gonna let him go. Get it started. All right, you're legal too. You're legal, Ron. Go ahead, launch.
27,
Launch.
27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18,
All right.
17, 16,
Get up here. Come on.
14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm looking good. Everybody looks good. Watch it. Up, jet boat. Turn to about 4, lane 4. Come inside. Come inside. It's about lane 4. Lane 4 and lane 5. Jet boat on the entrance of 2. Slow boat. Watch yourself. I got Steve Lopez. Cut Louie on Motley. Cut Louie on Motley. All right, Steve Lopez at 3. Dale Roberts in 2nd with Calvin Motley in 3rd. Mike Moores in 4th. That's 4 for Steve. That's 3 for Calvin, 4 for Dale.
Final lap.
That's 5. Final lap for Steve.
Final lap.
Final lap for Dale. Calvin owes me 1 more. Mike is on 3. Lopez is done.
Final lap.
Final lap for Calvin.
Dale Roberts.
Dale, you're done. Stay wide for the races. Stay wide for the races.
Calvin
Calvin's done. Jet boat, we're at turn 2, way out wide, say lane 9, lane 20. All right, bring it in. Good job, gentlemen.